Here I have Samsung Galaxy A6 Plus, and let me show you top tricks for the following device. So at the very beginning, let me show you the really powerful tool, which is Device Maintenance. So let's open the list of all applications, choose Settings, select Device Maintenance, and here you can do a couple of things. For example, you can optimize the device just by clicking the Optimize button. That's it. Let's wait until the operation will be successfully done. Choose Done. You can also see the device security and, for example, scan your phone and make sure that you don't have any viruses and risks. Scan completed. And also you can do other stuff, such as, for example, clean up the memory right here. And also, for example, enable the battery saver mode if you would like to. Alright, let's go for the second trick. So let me show you a couple of really useful display settings. So, for example, the blue light filter. So you can reduce the eye strains just by turning on the blue light filter, and sometimes it's easy to use this filter to just relax your eyes. You can also see the opacity if you would like to, and you can change it. And you can also turn on this blue light filter in the exact period of time. In my case, let me disable it right now. And let's go next. Let me show you the third trick, always on display. So let's find and select lock screen. As you can see here, you've got enabled always on display feature. So you can show the home button and clock or other information on the standby screen. Let me just show you. If you lock your device, you will see the following info right here. And you can set up this always on display screen right here. For example, you can choose only the clock, only the home button, or you can for example, use the scheduled time to set up the time when always on display will be enabled. So that's it. Let's go back, and now let me show you the easy mode, also really interesting thing. So let's go back to the display, scroll down, and here we've got easy mode. So you can switch from the standard to easy mode, tap done, and as you can see right now, you've got large icons and really the minimalistic style. So this is the easy mode. Sometimes it's better to use this mode if you would like to make everything simple. So in my case, let me quit this mode by choosing the display and by finding easy mode again and choosing standard. Tap done. Alright, so let's go for the last trick. So let me show you one-handed mode, also really interesting thing. Let's find and select the I need to find advanced features right here, and let's tap on one-handed mode. Here you can enable the one-handed mode by using the switcher, and for example by using buttons you can enable this mode. So let's tap home button 3 times, and this is the one-handed mode. So you can use your device right here. As you can see, this is really simple if you would like to navigate by one hand. To quit this mode, let's just tap outside the area right here. And you can also change the settings of the following mode. Let me just find the one-handed mode again right here. And you can turn on the one-handed mode also by gestures. Let's just swipe diagonally right here. Sorry, I need to do it from that end, for example. And just the one-handed mode pops up right here. So that's it. Everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.